Big news! Uganda launches free public Wi-Fi in Bwera. For the first time, residents of Bwera along Mpondwe Road can now enjoy completely free internet access powered by the government. This new initiative is part of the Uganda Digital Acceleration Project, UDAP GovNet, led by the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance in partnership with NIDA-U. And it's more than just internet. It's about connecting communities, giving people access to opportunities, education, jobs, government services, and a better digital future. At the launch, Honorable Godfrey Kabyanga, Minister of State for ICT, said, "This intervention is more than just internet access. It's about empowering people. When we bring connectivity to the grassroots, we equip citizens to learn, earn, and engage with government services more easily." Dr. Hatwib Mugasa, Executive Director of NIDA-U, every citizen deserves affordable, reliable internet. This is the foundation for innovation, efficiency, and service delivery across all sectors. Thanks to this effort, people in Bwera can now study and access learning materials, apply for jobs online, use e-government services, communicate, collaborate, and develop digital skills at no cost. And this is just the beginning. As more towns get connected, Uganda moves closer to a truly inclusive digital economy. Are you in Bwera? Try it today. Connect to the new free public Wi-Fi along Mpondwe Road. And if you're elsewhere in Uganda, let us know in the comments where you'd like to see this service next. Like this video if you support internet access for all. Subscribe for more updates on tech and digital inclusion in Africa, and share this with someone who needs to know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.